here is our room. Turn on the light. Not a light, the lights. This room is lit up. All right, so this is the ocean suite aboard the Carnival Splendor. Now she is going to dry dock in about 2 weeks, so the room will look significantly different. It's been about 11 years since the ship was built, so she does look a little dated, but she's going to look amazing after dry dock. So let me show you our entrance to the suite. That is the front door, and this is a nice sized storage closet that also houses your robes as well as your life preservers, which are super important so you don't drown. Hopefully you never have to use those, and this is not a remake of the Titanic. All right, so this front little area has a little sitting desk, and as you can see, we've kind of turned it into our own little grocery store. And by grocery store, I mean a water supply store, because my husband ordered water, I ordered water, and then Carnival also gave us some water. So we didn't realize it, and we are just now going to be super hydrated for this entire cruise. But this is a really great little sitting desk area. And of course, you come in here and you have the couch area, which is really, really nice because this couch actually pulls out to become a bed. So if you have more than 2 people in here, that is a great space for people to sleep. You can either sleep on it singly like this, or the cushions do move out and it does become a bed. Now, also in this space is a little sitting area. You can see, so you can have your morning coffee, or you can eat your room service and look out at your beautiful view. And then over here is the bed area, and we just had our room made up. So we have it's about a queen size bed, and there is a ton of storage here. So we have the storage on the side of the bed, end table there, another end table with storage. And then we also have the storage here, which my husband has used as his, and it's both sides of the closet. So there is quite a bit of storage. In addition to that, you also have this dresser, which has a lot of storage. And then more storage right here on the TV stand. So you can see there is a ton there. And then you have your TV. When they go to dry dock, most likely what will happen is they'll put in a bigger TV, because this one is quite small, as you can see. This room also includes a safe, so you can keep all your valuables, your passport, and of course all your other important documents. Now, my favorite part of this room is the closet. This thing is huge. It's like a whole little dressing area. So if you are big into makeup, you have this entire space. You also have your own sink, so you can wash your makeup brushes or wash your face. And that is really cool. I've never seen that on a ship before. And then of course you have these huge mirrors with gorgeous lighting so that you can get all of your makeup done. And more storage. So this is where I have chosen to keep my clothing, and it is double-sided. Then my second favorite part, and what will surprise most people who have ever been on a cruise, is this suite bathroom. This thing is huge. So for anybody who has been on a cruise before, you know the bathrooms are tiny, and this thing does not disappoint. So you do have a double vanity. If you've ever fought with your husband, you know that these are marriage savers. It's got a nice, gorgeous mirror with some more storage for all of your toiletries. And then this little beauty. I could not get over how big this tub is. For anybody that has been on a cruise, you know they are pocket size, not this guy. 2 people can stand in this shower. 1 person can take a bath in it, and it has jacuzzi jets with its own dispenser for soap. I have not tried it out yet, but Kelvin has, and he said it is fabulous. Then you have your toilet, and then this guy. I don't actually know how to use him, but I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna have to watch a YouTube video on it, because I think they're called bidets. and I think they're a European thing, but I hear that they're life-changing. So I'm gonna go watch a YouTube video when we get into port. I'm gonna get Wi-Fi. I'm gonna figure out how to use this because I heard they're awesome, but I can't figure it out. So anyways, that is the bathroom. Let me give you one more view of it real quick. Ooh, a little mouse. Alright, and then the final thing about this is, of course, these suites come with their own balconies. Now, normally your balcony is about this size. You can fit this chair, but not this one. It's a Chase lounger and a chair. Alright, that's a quick tour of the Carnival Splendor Ocean Suite. And if you are interested in cruising, book one. They're a lot of fun. They're really great. If you don't like it, you don't like it. But I promise you, you're probably going to like it. So, and if you have not already, hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you as our cruising family, as the tour director or cruise director keeps saying, our family aboard the Carnival Splendor. Well, we'd love to have you guys, so please hit that subscribe button. If you like this video and you like the suite, hit the like button. And if you're tired, take a nap. Alright guys, till the next video. Bye!